doves in the wind. We'll see like doves in the wind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Nicole, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I am going to be putting on this synthetic wig. It's been a while since I've had a synthetic wig, and I've kind of missed them. So yeah, I have this pink wig. It's from the company Xtrend, and it came with a hairnet. It came with the wig, of course. So this is the wig. It is pink, and I love pink. I think it's like 26 inches. I believe. I don't know. And this is the cap construction. The inside, 2 combs right here and a comb right there, and just with straps. So.
What you want do? You're telling me to come true. Show me what you gon' do. Come and tell me if you want to. One more, what we want do. I know go ask you for your title. I'm just telling you to ride through. I'm coming hit it how you like to. No better. All these other girls ain't nothing at all. No pressure. I never feel no pressure, no. You better make me feel like I never before. Cause I ain't never. So I ain't never. Me say I never do lines. Me say I never do lines. I know I sound so righteous. I know you like them righteous. Me say I never do it like this. Me say I never do it like this. I know I sound so righteous. I know I sound so righteous. Girls that you naked mayo, you naked mayo. You make me say oh, you make me say oh, you make me say oh. You naked mayo, you naked me. Oh, run it back. Me see you like that when I bring it back. And baby, if you want, we can go anywhere we go. Let me know. Oh, give me that. And when I'm done, boy, I'ma give it back. I can turn this into a show. Baby, who's bad? Let me know. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No better. All these other girls ain't nothing at all. No pressure. I never feel no pressure, no. You better make me feel like I never before. I ain't never. So I ain't never. Me say I never do lines. Me say I never do lines. I know I sound so righteous. I know you like them righteous. Me say I never do it like this, no. Never do it like this, no. Sound so righteous, no. Sound so righteous, girls that you naked mayo, you naked mayo. You make me say oh, you make me say oh, you make me say oh. You naked mayo, you naked mayo, you naked mayo.
Got them eyes looking through to the sunrise. It's too easy, man, it's plain to see. time. Your body making room up in my memory, yeah. Baby, you're an angel. Baby, you're the one. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever want. I can be your A1, anything for us. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever love.
Okay, so you guys just see me install this synthetic wig. So the wig is really, really nice. I love the color. The only thing is I do get shedding with the wig, but it is synthetic, so you're gonna get shedding. And I do get a little bit of tangles, but that's when I'm like styling the wig, customizing and stuff, and it comes right out. So it's not like it be stuck. I could put some baby powder on this wig because it is a little shiny. And I don't know how shiny it is coming off on camera, but it's shiny. So, like I said, this is from a company called Xtrend. They are an Amazon vendor. This wig did come from Amazon, so it was 2-day shipping. And I don't remember the price, but the price will be down in the description below. So, with the link for this wig and the company Amazon page. So, this wig comes all the way down to the bottom of my torso. So, it's all the way down to the top of my butt, basically. And I think it's really cool. It's really nice. I could do some more customization to it, but I'll do it right now. Actually, I don't have to because it's already, what I was gonna do was cut some layers in it, but it already has layers in it. I did not have to thin out this wig, luckily, because some synthetic wigs, when you get it, you have to thin them out. I didn't really have to thin this one. I didn't have to thin it out at all, basically. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to me. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about me or this wig. And yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss. Don't be late, no, no, no.